Welcome to the operating new OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. After that, click here to screen recording and scroll a little bit down here. After that, you can see here it shows screen touches switcher. Just to turn it on and turn it off, you should click here on this switcher. So also we have the second way how we can activate the screen recorder settings. First, we should launch the notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find the screen recorded icons. Just hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll find here the same screen recording settings. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.